Hey guys, so today we're making some curry chicken. So this chicken has been roasted. We used the torch to roast it. Right, as you can see, we burned some of the skin. Right, so it's been roasted. See? Anyway, when you roast it with the torch, it comes out different. It flavors the curry chicken. The curry chicken tastes better, right? So that's what we do. But optional, you don't have to do anything with it. You can just cut up your chicken and make curry chicken. So we're gonna add some salt, a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add some adobo all-purpose seasoning, just a little bit because this is salty as well. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I'm going to add some onion powder. A lot of it doesn't want to come out, but black pepper. You can put black pepper to suit your level of spiciness. I'm going to put some crushed pepper. Again, add seasoning to your level of taste and what you like in your curry. I'll add a little bit of thyme, some dry basil. I'm gonna add some sazon to this. And now I'm gonna go in with my fingers and I will rub the seasoning in. Not a spoon, or I don't have a glove on. Go in with your natural fingers and rub it in. Make sure each piece of meat is coated nicely. I'm gonna add some more black pepper to it. Now we're gonna set this in the fridge for a couple of hours to marinate. Let all the seasoning work itself into the pieces of chicken, and we'll be back when we're ready to cook it. See you.